guys, welcome back to the studio. Today we're going to finish up some paintings for the new shop update. I'm also going to take pictures of the new paintings. I might have to go into the living room for that, or the dining room, because there's a huge window with natural light. We'll see how the day goes. Then I also do some cleanup. I had to clean up the studio because after all that painting, it got pretty much messed up. So I threw a whole bunch away and started getting ready for my spring and summer season of painting, which is mostly flowers, acrylics, with acrylics. So I got rid of some of the other things I don't use anymore. And yeah, and I'm trying to get ready for my summer trip, which is in a few months in August. So, but that's probably not going to be on this video. I'm probably going to make a video on my other channel, on my more personal channel, which you can go and check out. I'm going to link it somewhere up there. If you like, you're interested what my future plans are, you can go check that out. Anyway, let's get into the video. So I don't know if you remember, if you'd not seen the couple of vlogs ago, I showed you that I painted over some old paintings I didn't like anymore. And this is one of them. First I gessoed over them with black. There's two of them I did. And then I just started layering up paint. And now I'm kind of just neutralizing it with some white, just normal white acrylic. Sometimes I use white gesso because it's a little more chalkier. It has a little more of a textured effect. And so the inspiration for this painting was an old painting that I also painted over a couple of paintings I didn't like. And that was just a flower painting, of flowers in a vase. Totally out of my head. I did not have any picture whatsoever for it. I'm going to put it up here that you can see what I'm talking about. But in this painting I'm going to do more of a neutral background, so the flowers are going to sort of stick out a little more and show more contrast. The other painting I did, I also finished. That one was even more neutral. I put sort of a teal blue background because the painting I did on top was a cherry blossom painting, and I'll put up another picture of that so you can see that one. But I will post a video of it in probably on Wednesday this week, so you can see the process of that one. The inspiration for this particular painting was this. It's a picture of a bouquet, as you can see, and that was posted by a friend on Facebook, and I was inspired by the colors because it was a couple of weeks ago we had really nice warm weather, and this bouquet kind of inspired the whole flower painting session again. So yeah, I really liked that orange big, I can't remember, it's some kind of a daisy flower, gerbera, whatever it's called. I don't know what you call it in English. And I like the contrast with the blue and the white tulips. So yeah, so that's the story of this painting. The whole series is kind of inspired by spring and summer. Lots and lots of flowers, which you will see in the shop update later on when I show you how I sort of photograph my paintings. Enjoy.
to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long. Kept me away from all of my tears. Now you're gone, and now I'm lost. I think I can see clearly now. I'm in love. Think about me one more time before you slowly. I'm in love. Took me away from all of my fears slowly. I'm in love. Kept me away from all of my tears slowly. I'm in love. I'm in a world full of sorrow. What for? You watch the world from the place beneath the willow, the willow. So many years, too many tears on your pillow, on your pillow. Out of the darkness, a sound. It all seems so harmless. A silver light. Don't you wait until the morning light, the morning light. Far away until you're out of sight, you're out of sight.
So that canvas with all that color on it there is actually the background of the sunflower painting, which I donated to the Save the Children cause, and I'm happy that somebody actually did donate some money to it, and we'll pick it up next week, so that's pretty nice. Okay, here are the little cuties that I'm going to photograph. They look very strange on here, but they don't look that dirty in real life. There. That one, these three, and that and that. These ones I have to put into frames. Like I have these paper matte frame things because they're obviously not flat. Then of course the big one over there. This one I auctioned off. Somebody already took it. Yay. So yeah, that's the shop update. So let's get on with it. So I got my DSLR camera and I tried to take some picture here. Okay, that's one. varnished yet, but that's okay because they're actually gonna have a glare. Black glare. Let me know in the comments if you like any of these. If I should make prints or not of them. Kind of had a hard time, especially with the oval ones and the bright backgrounds and the white. It was a lot of glare, so I think I'm gonna use the phone after and take some pictures with that. It might be easier. I'm not gonna pick up the glare as much. Okay, I think I'm finished with photographing. They don't have to be super fancy, they just go on my website. I will put a Facebook post on my page about the shop update, so go check that out. I'm also going to put that on Instagram, so if you want to go and take a look on my new paintings that are available, please go do so. They're all very small ones, so I made, you know, they're more affordable than bigger ones, and also the paper ones are even a little cheaper. So yeah, go check out my shop update. It will be up on Monday or Tuesday. I'll figure that out and I'll make the update on Facebook. We see how it goes today with all the editing and tomorrow with all the editing and putting up the prices and posting it on my website, yada yada. So yeah, so make sure to be on the lookout for the shop update, because I'm gonna do the update, and when they're gone, they're gone. I'm gonna close the shop for a while till the summer or the fall. I'm not sure yet. Maybe the fall, because in the summer I'm gonna go on a trip and I'm gonna be busy and I can't ship stuff. So yeah. So make sure you check out the shop update, and make sure you check out that video I did last week about the Ukraine charity donation. Make sure you check the video out I did up here, so you can see how I painted the sunflower. There's also some background and some videos in the video itself that shows the footage of the conflict and of the charity and how the whole sunflower theme came about. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do some more painting, but that's not gonna be in this vlog. They're gonna be in the next vlog or in the next process video. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do next, and yeah, see you in that one. Subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Let me know what you think. Bye.